Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you decide to subscribe and join our growing little family. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you as always. Today's video is pretty exciting for me, at least. As you know, I recently kind of delved into the Mason Francis Kurkdjian perfume world basically, and I absolutely fell in love. It was a little rocky in the initial, but yeah, we're here now. And my preferable fragrance, if you haven't already watched the videos, which I will link both up above, I did a review on Baccarat Rouge, the EDP, as well as the Extrait version. In my opinion, the Extrait is like chef's kiss. I've been wearing it non-stop. I'm actually gonna, there should be a video made possibly before or after this one. If it's after, I'll link it down below. If it's prior, look forward to it. But I'm going to be delving deeper in and exploring the Francis Kurkdjian line because, like I said, I fell in love with Baccarat Rouge Extrait. So I ordered directly from the Francis Kurkdjian website. It came through DHL. I just don't care, but this is the box. I haven't smelled it. I've never smelled it. I've opened the box, but I didn't look at anything. I wanted to wait to review it. I've had this for about 4 days now, and it's been killing me to not just open the package and see what's inside, but I wanted to share it with you all too. So off the initial, this is how the inside of the box looks. Really nice. I see a card off rip, obviously, and my fragrance, which is really nicely boxed. And inside came with some tissue. All right, so just like at birthdays, I'm gonna read the card first. This is how it looks. From Paris with love, Francis Kurkdjian. That's what this says. Cute, very thoughtful. So I believe this is probably just a receipt of some sort. Oh, a withdrawal form, so if you want to return. Here is how she's looking. Very beautifully packaged. Okay, so we have another card, and this is how it looks. It has a little sticker. I think this might be the card that I wrote to myself. Yeah, now that's enough. Love you. To self, from self. So this is how the inside of the box looks. My fragrance, some samples, and a free, I believe it was a mini candle. So I'm gonna start with the candle. This is Bougie Parfumi scented candle. The scent is all 17. The box is beautiful, very similar to the, you know, the fragrances with kind of like a storyline on the box. Smells good. It smells very kind of like incensey. So the same storyline that's on the side of the box is actually displayed on the candle. So I'm happy I have that. All right, and the samples that I chose was Oud Satin Mood and Grand Soir. So pretty full samples. I'm not gonna really delve into these, but I will let you know if I decide to get one of them. Okay, now to the part that you've all been waiting for, probably. I ordered Gentle Fluidity Gold Edition. I ordered the 1.2 fluid ounce because I wasn't sure, you know, if I was gonna like it. And my collection is very extensive already. It'll take me forever to get through the perfumes that I do have, so I didn't want to like overindulge or overwhelm myself really. Now this is the packaging. The box is beautiful. The top is that gold top with the initials imprinted onto the box. This is it. Before we dive into the smell from my own nose, I'm going to read a little from the site directly to see what it's about. Directly from the site, it says, same notes, two identities. I'm assuming referring to Gentle Fluidity Silver Edition. They're the exact two same notes, but apparently smell completely different. It says, working the ingredient to express its full potential and meeting the challenge of composing two different eau de parfums with the same notes, which are juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, musk, ambery woods, and vanilla. The Gentle Fluidity duo was born of the perfumer's imagination to offer two distinct olfactory silhouettes for her or for him. In Gentle Fluidity's gold, generous, enveloping trail, we can find coriander seed essence and an overdose of musk and vanilla. The floral spicy note of coriander seed brings just like the musk at the real volume and a lingering trail. In the base notes, the gourmand, reassuring notes of vanilla accord enhanced by the ambery woods reveal a radiant, bright silhouette. So I'm excited. There's that tag that once you pull will reveal the perfume itself. And the message card. And here she is. I love the bottles. They're like so classic. Really pretty bottles. So this is Gentle Fluidity Gold. The back has the engraving initials as well as the top. Very pretty. Okay, shot of the atomizer. Smells really nice. I'm not gonna say I'm as hyped for it as everyone kind of hyped it. Like, I don't know what it is, but if I breathe in long enough, I get a hint of a medicinal note. I get a lot of the berry too. It almost I guess that's kind of the correlation to the medicinal note, at least in this specific fragrance, because it's bringing me kind of back to like as a child, like cough medicine a little. Not a lot, like not like it smells like it really at all, but if I take a deep enough breath in while inhaling the fragrance, not inhaling the fragrance, but while smelling the fragrance, it kind of smells, the medicinal note is tied to the berries, which brings me back to my childhood, like taking cough syrup or like medicine. But now it's changed. But now it's back. Okay, at least for right now, I'm feeling like I'm happy that I got this size. I don't hate it, but I don't feel how I felt about the extrait, but maybe like the extrait, it will grow on me. Cause that literally was like, first sniff, I don't like, second sniff, third sniff, I love. Like, that grew on me so quick and so immensely. So maybe this will be the same. It's definitely feminine-like. It's pretty though, it's pretty. I mean, I like it. I don't really have too much to say really. I don't necessarily pick up on any of the notes that were listed besides the berry. From when I don't smell it too close, it smells really good. But when I get really close and try to like break down the scent, that's when I get the medicinal note quite heavier. So some things that I did want to add that I feel like I kind of completely forgot to mention was that this fragrance is very sweet. It definitely leads more feminine, the gold version. I have yet to smell the silver. I could imagine that that would be more of the masculine scent. It's very rich. It's a luxurious scent. It's dried down a lot more in my hand. I've already finished filming, but I guess that's why I had the motive to tell you a little more. It is really nice, actually. Like I said, I'm happy that I have it. It's very heavy, so I hope that made sense. Berry, because of the juniper berries. It's heavy with the berries, so that, at least on me, so that's, I'm assuming, why now the medicinal has completely gone away and it's super sweet. It's like pure berries, and I just get really sweet, rich berries. Like, it makes me think of back in the old times when they would feed you grapes. Like, it's very nice, it's sweet, it's non-offensive. Like, it's something you could wear to the office, but also to date night, but also to ladies' brunch. It's just very fresh, but not fresh like crisp or citrus. It's just fresh, like light and airy fresh, you know? I would recommend it. For somebody else, this could be the scent. So I'm excited to wear and play with it. Like I said, in the future video, which you have to stay tuned for, I'm going to mention again like the wear time and my more developed thoughts on the fragrance. But yeah, I did just want to come in and say that. So I'm happy with this. This is, again, Gentle Fluidity Gold. Not too much of a long review because, you know, I haven't worn it. I'm not sure how it performs. Just kind of like an initial unboxing and reaction to the scent. But yes, Gentle Fluidity Gold. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are a growing channel, and I appreciate all the support that comes from either people I know, people I have now met, or strangers. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments if you personally have smelt, or if you have, or if you plan to get Gentle Fluidity. I hope that this particular video review doesn't sway you either one way or the other. You know, I think that if you're interested in something, you should definitely try it for yourself. One, the main factor being what may work for me may not work for you, and vice versa. And two, life is short, why not? You know what I mean? If you don't like it, you can return it. So it's not really a loss. I would say that if you are intrigued or interested, to order directly from the Francis Kurkdjian website, which I will have linked below, as well as the link to the fragrance. Beside the fact that you save a good amount of money ordering from the website, it is a bit of a longer wait, but longer wait or throw out at least $100 more to get the same fragrance. Up to you, which is also comes in a beautiful packaging, you know, where as if you order from Saks, you lack that. So again, up to you, up to what you know, whatever your speed is. But that is my suggestion, ordering from the site directly. Again, if you like this video, if you enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.